but I need to have my morning supplements and I need to take my Magic Mind. So for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Tori. Or who are just simply not familiar with Magic Mind is a mental performance shot. So it helps to boost mental clarity. You know, like help you get out of that brain fog and give you a really clean form of calm energy so that you can feel motivated and productive throughout the day. And the great thing about Magic Mind is that this is not a coffee replacement. So it's not a stimulant. This is really about mental clarity and focused energy. It's full of all natural ingredients and it helps you to have like that productive energy, not that stressful energy, and it doesn't trigger my anxiety. And because it's not a stimulant, there's no jitters, no crash. It's just a nice, clean, calm flow mental clarity. Who can't use that throughout the day? I just have mine on a subscription along with my sleep performance shots. And these are great because they help you to fall asleep faster and stay asleep, which is a big part of my problem, so that you actually wake up feeling rested and refreshed. And for the first time ever during their January Mental Wealth Challenge, when you use my link, you can get the mental performance shots as well as the sleep shots as a bundle for 45% off. And you guys know I do my research when it comes to things that I put on my body and in my body. And I feel really good about Magic Mind. This is doctor validated and scientifically backed with over 200 scientific studies behind the ingredients. And what I really love about the Magic Mind formulation is that they use nano-encapsulated technology, which means that the ingredients are more bioabsorbable by the body, much more so than pills or powder, so that the active ingredients can be absorbed 5 to 10 times faster, which means that they can readily go to work for you so that you can be at peak performance. So go check out Magic Mind. Be sure to use my special link so that you get that 45% off during the January Mental Wealth Challenge. I'll be sure to leave my link both in a pinned comment as well as in the description box below.